You have to board up your house and then head off to work. Is that how it works?
Yeah, during Hurricane Irma last year, which threatened and actually affected South Florida,
Yeah.
we did shutter up our home. We started, my wife and I. My wife's also a meteorologist as well.
Handy.
We knew
Yeah.
many days away there was the potential for it to be a very busy period, and we knew there was the potential there for Irma to possibly threaten South Florida. So we started boarding up our shutters about a week before,
Right.
which is a little earlier than most people need to do it. But
Well, you kinda
because
have
of
to do
our
that.
time commitments,
You
we're going
can't
to
be seen-
increase
I imagine
greatly.
your neighbours looking down the road.
Yeah.
What's, what's Mike doing?
If you were Mike's neighbour and you saw him boarding up, I think you might take action too.
Yeah,
What do
I
you
know what to
think?
imagine.
Most
Yeah.
people, yeah, I remember looking around the neighborhood that I live
Yeah.
in, which is a few miles north of the Hurricane Center, and people took Irma very seriously. It's interesting what gets people's attention during a hurricane. In Florida, we had the benefit, not benefit's not the right word, but we had visual experience of what Irma did in the Caribbean. It hit Barbuda, basically wiped out the island. It hit the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, caused extreme devastation there. And that was right leading into the time where people in Florida were preparing for the storm. So you had this very stark visual evidence that you saw on television of houses blown apart, and numerous fatalities and lots of damage. So there was very visual evidence that Irma was not a storm to be taken lightly. So people did prepare very, very, very well and heated evacuation orders. We did shelter in place at the Hurricane Center. Our building's built to withstand Category 4 or 5 winds. So we spent 2 nights in the building.